Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for 2 parts. It is Simple Stories Saturday and then also Scraplift Sunday. I had some, not that I need to explain, but I had some weather, and it's just been a crazy weekend with the weather and then my work schedule. And so I fell a little tad bit behind, so I'm going to combine a couple of things together so that I can get caught up and all of that fun stuff. So Scraplift Sunday is with Laura, where we take a layout, and the layout that we are going to be using is from, it is called Scrap Paper UK, which is Rebecca B on Instagram. And this layout is from Lottie Loves Paper, and I absolutely love it. So off camera, I did do where I cut the photos into what she has. She's only doing 1, but I wanted 2. And this is what I'm going to use. The Distressed Oxides that I'm going to use too is going to be Speckled Egg because it matches this. And then the Pumice Stone matches my background. Then what she has on her layout is literally what this looks like right here. And so I cut half of the circle out here, half of this circle here, and then half of this circle. So this is a 9-inch circle that I used and sliced on my Cricut. This here is a 5-inch, and then this is a 4. And then I cut it so that I can match it up with this particular paper, put it on here. I got to do some cutting that I left so that we can do a little bit on camera, and then we will go from there. I have an idea where I'm going to go like this for my photos. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna get started by taking off the little piece that I needed to the little amount so that this all matches with the cut file that I made kind of pretty much on my own, so that I could make it look like what is in the picture above. Like I said, we are following Rebecca Lee from let me bring her up one more time here. It's Rebecca B from Scrap Paper UK. I absolutely love her stuff. I follow her for a very long time, and this was for Lottie Loves Paper. And so that is what I have up in the corner there, and I'll link her down below. Obviously, I am using 2 Distressed Oxides. Like I said, the Speckled Egg is going where the circle is, and then in the end, I thought you would be able to see it through some of the stuff that I was doing, and it here it shows it, but by the time I got done, it's kind of just in the background, which is fine. So I'm placing this down, and then I'm going to come back on camera, and I'm going to put some dimensionals down so that I can tuck things underneath. As you can see there, in just certain spots, I just want to kind of tuck that up so that I can place a few little things underneath, because she does a lot underneath this, like, I guess, cut file that I kind of made to make this look right. And once I get going, I am toning down that white because it's too stark white in the beginning. And so to match it with the whitewash that's in the background, it actually matches really well with the pumice stone. So that is what I'm using there. Now, I'm going to start to fill this big circle, or this big half circle, with the bottom part of the stickers to make it white. And then I'm going to come in with all of the florals that I purchased from this collection. This is where Simple Stories Saturdays come into play, where I am strictly using the Simple Stories collection, the one that I stated in the beginning for this one, because if you've been following my channel a while now with just my husband and I in the photos, this is the collection I have been using. I am almost done, to the point where my photos are almost done and this collection is almost done. Thank goodness. Because I love this collection, but I'm ready to move on to another collection to use. And I have an idea of the ones that I'm going to use for my daughters, just my daughter's photos. And if my husband and I end up being in them, but it's with my daughter. Just like I was doing with my Pupper's Ashers, I had a collection with just Asher in the photo, where it was like family, or it was just my daughter and I, whatever, you know, that was what I used for that collection. I try to do collections based on the photos of who's in them. And now I'm doing my outlining because this just adds that little bit of extra. At first I forgot that she actually hand stitched, or stitched, but I didn't want to stitch. And I forgot that I was going to do like what I always do is my doodling along the edges. So this is where I come in and play along with all of the black and whites. I wanted the color down on the base because I was going diagonal. So the color tones that are in the bottom is the color tones that are diagonally going up the page to where my photos are at. And then I end with those same color tones with the word hello. And that butterfly, I wanted to add the colors of the creamed black and black colored flowers with that butterfly on the top. So it's straight a diagonal piece. And then I do come in with some of the distinct colors down in the bottom for that other circle piece that you see down there, that other half circle. So make sure you go check out everybody. Now, this is linked on a Friday or on a Monday. I had, like I said before, I had a bunch of weather that came through. I was not going to film. I wasn't going to wreck my phone or even try to get on. It's just the weather was just been crazy here in the state of Georgia, just with everything going on, and I wasn't going to wreck that. So this is for the collaboration of Simple Story Saturdays, which will be linked down below, along with Scraplift Sundays, where Laura and I scraplift a layout, which is this one. Now hers was doing the same thing because she's from the south as well, and we are all having some crazy weather. It is what it is. And I know that hers is going to be uploaded when it can get uploaded, and mine is coming here on Monday because we finally got through some weather, and then it's supposed to rain again today, but it's supposed to just be light showers. I have yet to have a really good sunny, because it always has pop-up some here and there. So now I added the butterflies. I love the fact that I added the butterflies in 3 different spots. You will see me come with them down in the bottom. And then I do my black. I wanted a little bit of black hanging out in these certain areas before I finish up my embellishments. I didn't want to put the black down before I did the embellishments because I wasn't quite sure where they were going to land, because I wanted the black to be on them just a little bit, but not a lot. And then I put a bunch of black in my little piece and made the splatters. That just added a little bit more to this. So here's where I was adding the color pieces so that on the bottom, triangle or in a triangle fashion with that diagonal piece, that the colors are down on the bottom. Along with adding a little bit of the blacks and white, or the cream and black in there to match it up. I absolutely love doing this. Now, to some people's eyes, it may not be aesthetically pleasing, but in the still shots, you'll see how much of it just works. It's perfect. I love this collection because it's got so many boho pieces to me. And what I mean by the boho, it's the creams, it's the muted, it's the blues, it's the greens, but then it adds that stark white and that cream mixture together, and that's all about boho to me. And so that is what I do here. My title is going to be Love You More, because, my husband's crazy. And we just, we deal with everything. And it's just something that we always say to each other. So I add that piece down there below. The still shots are coming up. You will see me round out with just adding a little bits of stuff along the bottom, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you if you're coming from any of the other ones. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week, collaborations, design teams, all of the fun stuff. I am super close to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.